is on me if we crack the beep, beep. That's me beeping myself out.
Okay.
I can't reveal the true numbers, but they're good. The business is going well, and I'm gonna shout Roan like at least some hot chips for lunch.
Thank God.
Yeah. This is one of our biggest months on record. We're really excited. Thank you for your support, everyone. The end of financial year sale has been crazy. Enertion's biggest year of sales to date. So we're growing, and it's all because of you people down inside there. We could go up to the burger joint up there. Fuck yeah. Got a Unity. Got 2 boards. Okay, should I test run? Burger time.
Oh, I nearly made that. I nearly crashed on the same spot.
Yeah.
You right, man?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
You did well, man. Not to bail.
I hope the board's okay.
Ah, don't worry about that. I think that tree may have been hammered by you. Yeah. Beast mode. I don't think I'm gonna get a vegan burger, sorry man. Okay, do you want fries as well? Do you want sweet potato? Yeah. Let's get a sweet potato and I'll get just the normal fries in the meal. And then we'll get you got beer on tap. I'm gonna get, what a day for a burger and a beer. Brilliant. Yeah, have a good one, mate. What do you do?
I've got a caravan yard. What do you guys do with all of that then?
We make electric skateboards. That's my production line just from the other day.
My whole clique in all black, we all tucks. Tell my ex bitch give me space. Elon Musk, ayy. Streams got my Q4 looking nice. My VR clutch, acting like you seen this right.
And technically, because it's Friday,
I can drink beer.
Yeah, no, mate, good on you.
Yeah,
It's a great initiative, man. I think it's fucking awesome. I think there's a massive way for that forward in the future. Like that Segway there, I'm going to convert into a buggy.
Is that a Segway on the back?
Yeah,
It's got some big wheels on it.
Yeah, but I'm converting that into a buggy.
So yeah, the motor controller that we use in that, you can plug any motor into it. Literally, in your buggy, you could use something like this, or you could put a throttle on a bike, and our controller can take any input, modulate it, and run the motors from it.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
That was the one thing I couldn't figure out.
Yeah, that's one of the things we specialise in doing.
Good to meet you anyway.
Have a good price.
How random's that, eh?
Good arvo for a beer and a burger.
Yeah, bloody oath.
I've got it. So they're all electric bikes and everything.
Let me have a quick
look.
gearbox in it. Or
They're all fucked.
anything to do with motors, batteries, motor controllers, and motion.
Yeah.
I mean, just because it's a skateboard, you know, people think, oh, it's a skateboard, but that applies to anything.
That's right. I know
It's
that's
the same technology, you know. There's a lot of people that don't understand the technology. They want to sell bikes and segways and they want to do all that, but they don't know how it works because they're just buying it off China. Yeah, I mean, put it this way: everything's going to be electric. Everything in 10 years. Don't let the cops see ya.
They can't catch one.
I just doubled up on crypto. New op out, give me the info. Give me the bag quick when I gotta be talking rent for. Finna be giving all of that back and then my kinfolk. Making the ends meet, taking a meeting, then I sip slow. Shit, bro, better tell me where the cash at. I been running around the city in the mad black, and they all look amazed like a lab rat. I'm like,
I pressed the button so many times with my finger at the back, I don't know what mode
It's in follow mode.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully we're going to be doing rides more often because we don't get out enough. We're always in the office. Well, Jason's mostly in the office. So yeah, thanks for watching.